Welcome back to Jack Big Sales. So today we're going to show you how to replace your deck belt. What you want to do is lower your deck all the way down to the ground. Take your deck cover here, slide it off. Set your cover off to the side. Alright, we're going to remove this foot pan on this model to make it, for clarity, it's not that necessary. Alright, what you want to do next is on your deck belt. On your pivot arm, you can't really see it for good. We'll zoom in later. See if we can hit it now. There is a hole for a 1/2 inch drive, ratchet, pry bar, whatever you want to use. You can stick it in there, or you can just grab your belt right here, pull the belt off, and then unroute it from all your pulleys. Alright, now once your belt is off, you can get either a new belt or reinstall your old belt if it's not too bad. Alright, so you take your belt, you want to stick it in between this tension pulley and the deck, and just slide a little bit back. You don't have to go all the way on your back pulley. Then what we're going to do, we're going to route it around your pulley here, come back around to your spindle, come around your middle spindle, and back around this idler. And on most decks, they're going to have a picture which shows you the routing of the deck. It either be in the front, could be in the back on some models. Somewhere on the deck, there's going to be a sticker. Next thing we're going to do is come back in the back, and we're going to put the belt onto the clutch on the motor. So you grab your belt, and you're going to let some of this tension off here. Alright, then we're going to take this belt and put it around the pulley, the clutch on the back of the deck. Then we're going to come back up front. Grab your belt, pull it around till it's on there, then just turn it one time just to make sure everything's in there. What you want to make sure to do is that the V part of the belt, you zoom in on this V part of the belt, you got a flat side and a V side. The V side needs to go in all of your spindle pulleys where it's grooved, and the flat pulleys, the flat part of the belt needs to be on the flat part of the pulley. Once you get done with that, take your covers, pop them back on, raise your distance, move your pin back, and you're ready to go.